Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a butterfly fox locks. So if you want to know how I achieved it, please stay tuned and don't go away. So guys, I created my own passion twist for the hair tutorial which we are about to make. But in case you don't know how to do this, or you don't want to stretch yourself much by creating your own, I'm going to share a link down below on how you can get it from Amazon. So I cut the attach into 3 parts. I use a expression for this tutorial. Then I wrap it around a straw, just like as I did it on the video. The same method I used on my last video too. So I wrapped it around the straw. After then, I put it inside the hot water and brought it out. So after unraveling it, this is what I got. So after this, you're going to unravel it again. You unravel it again, and then you start scattering it, like separating it very well. Like I'm going to show you how I separated it before I started using it on this same video. So guys, like as I was saying initially, the clip I showed you, I just tried to show you how you can make your own passion twist. But this is already passion twist I used before. I've already used it for a tutorial, which is what I'm going to use too. So this is how I'm going to do it. You're going to scatter it like as I'm doing it on the video. So before you begin this tutorial, you're going to use a braid or part of the passion twist to braid off her hair, her natural hair. After then, you crochet a pieces of the passion twist into her hair and bring it out. You make this one you're going to make it to be equal. Then the second one which you're going to use, which is one you're going to use for the wrapping, you're going to make one side short and one side long. So the side that is long is the side you're going to use to start wrapping it around. So I didn't want my own to look too much rough. In case you want to make the butterfly look so rough, what you're gonna do is to as you're tying it round, you tie it very loose. I tightened my own a little bit just because I didn't want it to be all that rough. So but at the starting, you're going to make it very tight so that it will not unravel. You make it very tight. Look at where I stopped, and then I'll start wrapping it loose. You put your finger, wrap it on top of you, pick a little pieces and put on top of your big thumbnail and wrap it round. The one I'm bringing out with my thumbnail is the one that creates that rough butterfly, that ball of butterfly we're talking about. So the more you put your hand, it will bring out some pieces out of the braid. That's the roughness. That's the beauty of this hairstyle we're doing right now. Or you wrap it around. That's how you're going to wrap it till you get to the ending part, where I'm going to show you 3 different parts on how you can seal the mouth of this braid. So look, it looks, as you can see it very well on the video, you see that it looks exactly like a fox locks, but this is created with, I use a braid to do this one. So this is how, is either you tie it the other way around, or you just divide it into 2, just like as I did. You drop the one you were wrapping with, then take the ones that you kept aside and use it to wrap it backwards. After that, you tie it up to seal it. Then the remaining one, you're going to still wrap it and go back again. So this is just to seal up the mouth so that it will not loosen up. Some people burn theirs. Some people can decide to burn theirs, but I don't burn mine. This is how I seal mine, and it will not lose it until the day I lose the hair. So I'm going to show you the next method. I just want you to guys to watch the video and understand it. See you in my next video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up if it's helpful, and comment down below. Thanks guys.
Yeah, we got a lot of moving boys. of moaning voice. I've got a lot of moaning voice.